Welcome back to Dr. Alex Orer's page. This is your host speaking. Today I've brought for you a rather peculiar and quite specific topic, precisely something that many of our communities are currently facing problems with. It's called hand hygiene. Hand hygiene has, at this moment, become one of the primary weapons in public health for our country and for the world. From Latin America, from Europe, and even African countries have had significant complications due to their hygiene and sanitation systems.
Why am I mentioning this?
The problem isn't just recent. It dates back many centuries, during which communities and certain countries, even here in Europe, have faced significant difficulties with hygiene, and it has gradually improved over time as services have gotten better, including water supply and sewage systems. It's worth remembering that the Latin American countries have quite a few problems regarding sanitation, sewage, and water services, not to mention African countries, which obviously have many, many more problems with this. That's why the World Health Organization has put a strong emphasis on us as medical professionals and on primary healthcare services to ensure that all of you receive instructional guides concerning the fundamental hygiene practice of hand washing. I believe that you have had many benefits regarding health and family problems and all of that, right? Let's take a look much further back. Our grandparents, our families, always started bothering all of us, all the generations, about hand hygiene. Wash your hands before you eat and after you use the bathroom. And this, has been one of those fundamental things that, in one way or another, has truly improved patient care and significantly reduced the complications associated with certain types of parasitic diseases and even severe transmissible illnesses. This applies not only to our emergency departments, but also, crucially, during global pandemics like COVID-19. So, what exactly is all this leading to? The World Health Organization deemed during this very unexpected event, such as COVID, provided us with specific guidelines for everyone on how to properly wash our hands. We'll see that later. What we are emphasizing right now is that you, my friend, who see and hear me, understand that health and hygiene are very important before every meal. We cannot be handling certain types of items with dirty hands and without taking care of ourselves. What does this mean? That before you wash your hands, before you go to the bathroom, after you go to the bathroom, before you eat, after you eat, even when we brush our teeth, it's also important to wash our hands. What's the point of all this? Our hand hygiene technique is established by the World Health Organization, which simply uses a very basic item, soap, whether bar, liquid, or whatever you have available. Even in specialized stores, you'll find planners and various papers, even sheet soap paper, which is perfect for travelers. You can easily carry it inside a small purse in your pocket or even in a fanny pack when you're on the go. The hand washing technique means you must be very careful using water whenever possible. If you have access to running water and sewage, great. If not, use a small jug or a little bottle, okay? You need to rub, apply, or add soap to your hands and use it this way so you can do it properly. As you're doing it, you'll be rubbing palm against hand, palm against palm, finger against finger, little finger against little finger, and you'll even make this rotating motion to wash the back of your hands, and then you pour it over your hand. You can scrub little finger against little finger, nail against nail, okay? So that the benefit of extracting all kinds of agents isn't carried to our main entry route, which is the mouth. Yes, unfortunately, most of our gastric complications begin. Why? Through the mouth. Further on, in some of our upcoming videos, we will be exploring that subject and even discussing the correct way to chew your food, along with several other important aspects. The most crucial point for you to always keep in mind is that our hand washing procedure must be performed before you consume your meals, immediately after you finished eating, before you enter the bathroom facility, after you have used the bathroom, and even then, understood. So when you're about to start certain kinds of work. Your daily tasks, like what? Your work in companies, mechanics, secretarial administration, and even we doctors must begin our shifts with clean hands. And before and after each service, we must wash our hands. When you visit emergency departments or ICUs, you are also permitted to enter these areas. They will provide you with a protective gown and allow you to thoroughly wash your hands. Upon your departure, it is equally mandatory to properly wash your hands once again. That is why today's video, even though it may seem quite simple, is extremely important for us to truly grasp and understand that our hands are the primary entry point for many things, and the proper hygiene of our hands is absolutely vital. So, welcome to the channel for a much simpler, more practical approach. You will see how to do a good wash. Remember, your health is knowledge. Buona sera masasanaka, ia masidanet, ia namasasisa.